As far as the texture or the finishes, stucco is really an art form, if you will. So that's part of the reason when we do repairs, we prefer to do the entire section, because it's really hard to go back and to mimic, you know, what somebody else has done prior to, unless we're doing a larger scope. It's just the way that it's no different than, you know, a paintbrush, painting a mural, something along those lines. It's hard to mimic or do exactly the way that the original painter did it. So stucco is more about the crews and the labor as far as that goes, as to how it's applied. So it's visible just for me to drive down the road and I can see whether or not the crew actually knew what they were doing versus whether they didn't know what they were doing just by driving by and looking at it. Whereas, obviously your standard homeowner that doesn't know a whole lot about it may not know the difference. They might see a difference but not know why there is that difference. All of our customers can have confidence in is that Bordner's not going to take any corners with any type of the siding that we do. So all of the products that we use for James Hardie, those are all going to be James Hardie products. The underlayment or the moisture barrier is James Hardie. The seal tape that goes around all your fenestrations or any of the windows or the doors, we get from James Hardie. There's a lot of contractors out there who will use different products from different manufacturers because they happen to be more affordable, and they're trying to earn the business based on the cost of the job. And it's going to sound really weird. We want to do the job the right way the first time and never see these customers again for specific product. Like obviously if they want to have us out for, let's say we're out for siding, right? We only want to see them one time for the siding. If they want to have us back out for a roof or bathroom or windows later on, that's great. But even as a homeowner, you want somebody to come out and do the job once the right way the first time and never have to worry about calling them back out because they did it, because they didn't install it correctly.